Robotics Lab 3C preparation video demonstration. In this video, we are going to explore the uses of world zones for a Fanuc robot. So here I have created two world zones, one each around the workstations. So the first one is around the workstation where the gasket is placed, and the second is around the workstation where the engine is placed. So whenever the robot enters these workstations, um, D out 33 and 34 are changed. So 33 is for this world zone and 34 is for this world zone. And when it so what controls when it enters the when it is able to enter the world zone is these tags. So 33 is 33 controls when the robot enters this world zone, and 34 controls when the robot enters this zone. And in reality, these two tags are controlled by PLC. But for this case, I have turned on the simulation and turned them on at all times. But these would in fact be controlled by the PLC. So let's move on to observe the D out, which is which are the signals given by the robot to the PLC whenever there is changes in these two world stations. So for Fanuc, whenever the robot enters the world zone, this tag is turned off, and it is on whenever it is when the robot is outside the world zone. So let's observe. Turned off when it entered, and turned on when it exited. Off when it entered the world zone, on when it exited the world zone. There seems to be some lagging in the simulation, but in reality this would be fast enough for the robot to react properly. That's the end of this video. Thank you.